Good morning, maayong adlaw, maayong udto, maayong gabi sa tanan. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone, and welcome back to Alba Fam YouTube channel here. At ngayon nga, fast cooking ang daddy. Fried eggs tayo, and favorite longganisa. And then syempre fam, nagkakape na rin ako. So actually, nagising talaga kami kasi biglang may nagdo-doorbell sa labas. At ayun pala, andito na ang Amazon delivery ni Mommy. Ayan, so parang mag-content creator na ata talaga to si Mommy. Change career na talaga ata, fam. So yung Olanzi. So, thank you. Salamat kaayo, Habibi. Ayan, nakuha namin to kay Habibi. Kakapanood namin ng vlog niya, fam. So, syempre, fellow Bisaya content creators, support talaga tayo, di ba? So, and another one, ako naman ang nag-order nito, fam. Yan, DJI Mic Mini. Just in case na pag maingay yung lugar and gusto namin na para mas klaro yung boses natin, fam. Lalo na pag may ini-interview tayo. So, sakto to mga upcoming campings natin ngayong taon. And syempre may plan din tayong umuwi ng Pilipinas. So, sakto yan sa loob na eroplano. Yan. So, yung mga kailangan mong medyo tahimik. Tapos, may mga interviews nga na required talaga yung ganito. Kasi hindi minsan naririnig masyado. Yan. So, there you go. Samahan niyo ulit kami for today. Longganisa cooking! And sayang din naman yung masarap na adobo ni Daddy kagabi. So, initin na rin natin, ulamin na natin. For breakfast, lunch na to. At may church nga today, fam. So, excited na rin kami pumunta.
Good day, Von.
Yep.
Are you enjoying?
Opo.
Is it cold?
Nope. For my hands.
Not cold?
It's springtime.
It's springtime, pero parang winter, di ba?
Mommy, I'm gonna throw this guy out to die.
Go. Bam. One more.
Mommy, did you say D-A-M-N?
Bam.
Oh, bam! Hey.
One more.
Wait, what is my bus?
On the way na kami sa church ngayon kasi merong service. Siyempre, off tayo today. And ang daddy and ang mga kids, walang pasok na. Then afterwards, siguro kakain. And let's see what's the plan ng mga sisters kasi magkikita-kita din kami. Dapat nga, fam, may plano kami today na manood ng Mario. Pero dahil nga meron tayong service today, so mag-church na lang muna tayo, and then after that, we'll see kung kakayanin.
Be with you.
Yes, baby?
I wanna be with you.
Oh, I'm just right here, honey. Sobrang clingy naman ng anak ko.
I want to be with you in the adulthood.
Oh, sa church! Ikaw ha, nasasanay ka na ha. And ang Kuya Davon ko is just springtime in Calgary, fam. Biglang uminit. Parang kahapon lang sobrang heavy snow kasi continue siya. Napakita naman ni Daddy this morning yung aming courtyard. And ngayon sobrang init. Ayan na siya.
Tunaw na naman ang snow.
Tunaw na yung snow.
Hindi na nila alam kung anong gagawin nila, fam. Mga snow na yan.
Correct. So, meron pa rin tayong forecast ng snow siguro next week, pero feeling ko hindi na rin siya magtatagal at magsusobrang lamig kasi ngayon hindi naman ganun kalamig. So, ang weather today is 4 degrees lang kahit maraming snow sa paligid. So,
Mamaya-maya, kung 4 degrees to hanggang mamaya, tunaw to
tunaw
lahat.
na. Yep.
So bukas wala na namang snow.
True. So, ayan. On the way na tayo, fam. And we'll see you later.
Nasa church na kami. Ayan. Slushy ang nasa labas, fam. So, iwan ko na yung camera dito. At excited to attend our church. So, we'll see you later pag kasama na namin ang aming mga brothers and sisters dito. Done na ang aming church. Ang ganda ng message.
Grabe.
Looking forward na kami sa Sunday. Naman. So ngayon naman, magko-coffee break lang kami at konting chika lang with our Alba fam friends dito sa Calgary, Tina Monet and Kuya Alan. So we're here. Dito kami sa South Center. Magkakape lang daw at merienda. Yan. And then after that, maghahanap tayo ng movie house na malapit dito. Hindi kasi namin sure ni Mommy kung may movie house dito sa South Center. So, okay. Ay na, tumakbo na si Kuya. Kasi may power playground kasi dito, fam. So, mga arcade and also gustong gusto ni Kuya din dito. So, see ya. Be careful.
Ice cream!
Ayan, fam, merong play park dito sa South Center Mall. Ayan, so punta sila dito. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go. Meron ba? Ayan, fam, nandito kami sa Power Play. Nandito kuya. Let's go. Oh, nice kuya. Oh wow, you guys are playing nice. Go Lian. Go Lian. Galing again. Can you try? Okay, let's go. Calgary, Blue Sky City.
Let's go!
Okay, let's go. Ayan, fam, at nagutom na dito. So, ano yan, love?
Potato corner.
Potato corner. Yan, oh, favorite.
Mix yan.
Mix of cheese and...
Garlic parmesan.
Okay, yan. So, kainan na and hindi na kami manonood ng movie. Sa bahay na.
Mag-movie night na lang tayo.
Yeah, mag-movie night na lang tayo. Ang family ay nag-chill lang dito. Nakauwi na kami. So, ito usually ang pinapanood ni Daddy, fam. Mga luto-luto ng Japan. At nakakamiss ang Japan. So, mga ramen yan. Mga soba. Fried rice. So, chill lang. And mamaya, so kakapanood namin ng ramen. Ayun na yung hinanda ko sa mga mag-ina ko. Tonkatsu ramen. Siyempre. Oh. Pwede na. Okay. Oh, smells good, Mommy, di ba?
Me, Daddy.
Wow.
But what about me?
You're going to share with Mommy this
But
one.
what?
And ito naman ang sa amin ni Kuya. Kaya kakapanood.
Daddy, I'll keep looking in there.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh,
like
ayan
fried
fam,
rice.
na-inspire na tayo ng Japanese food. Oh, di ba?
Microwave.
Yeah, microwave ko lang. Ayan. Okay, eating time.
So it's time to unbox this 2 upgraded gadget namin. So what is this, Kuya? What is that? DJI Mic Mini. So unbox na natin, fam.
Mommy, look.
Yeah. Correct. And kay Kuya, kay Lian naman. And we have this Olanzi magnetic tripod as well. Kasi meron na rin tayong magnetic, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag doon, na nilagay namin dito sa Action 5. Magnetic na rin siya. So, para pag naka-tripod, imamagnet na lang din siya. Like what we are doing right now here. So, tara! Let's unbox this, fam.
With the scissors!
Let's open this one first.
Mommy, I want to put it out.
You! Here.
Just open it there. Mommy, can I take it out?
Yeah.
Can I take it out? Mommy, I want to take it out.
No, here.
Turn
Up,
it
up,
up.
up.
Turn turn it. Oh,
Wow.
How can this be the remote?
And syempre, we
What's
have
this
this.
for?
We have this instruction here.
Mom, I think there's
And I
something
think
more
extra magnetic.
here.
Ano?
There's nothing.
Ooh, look at this, fam.
Mommy, but where's the
Actually,
magnetic?
ganun daw siya to expand.
Yo!
Wow, so cool.
Well, I didn't know where's the magnetic.
And this is the magnetic one. Wow.
It
And
said you could do
they also have this remote para you can connect as well and you can use. Let's try if it's magnetic. Wow, it's magnetic.
I cannot like that.
Sabi is
What's
you
this?
can remove.
Okay, let me see.
Very compact, fam. Very compact.
Okay.
Very nice. Cool. All right, next. And next one, fam, is the DJI.
Mr. DJI.
So, we already removed the plastic and the kids already got it. Let's reopen again. So there's a bag inside.
Let's open it.
Yay!
Mommy, I will guess with.
And open.
Mommy, I will
Open.
guess.
First, we have the cord. Nope, you don't need to cut, baby. And yung sa mga mic. Cover ng mic. And wait. So in the bag, we have the DJI. Ang cute, fam, kasi meron talaga silang mini bag. And when you open, they said push to open. And you can see the two mics. And this one is for you to connect sa camera. But since DJI nga yung gamit din namin, so sabi ni Daddy, we don't need to connect this. It will automatically connect. So we will try this very soon, Pam. Look at this.
Can I
So siguro naman mas
can we
magiging clear ang voice
have
namin.
each? I want
Yan,
this
Pam.
one. I love the black.
One, this is the
Actually-
charger.
Mommy, but can we play chess?
We will try to use sa next vlog namin. Kung
Yeah.
mas gaganda ba ang boses ni Daddy Lawrence.
No.
So that's it, fam. Na-unbox na natin. So, we will try to use it na sa next vlog. So, sana may improvement naman talaga ang aming voice. Especially ngayong darating na summer. Ang daming ganap na mga campings, outdoors. So, hopefully, it will get better sa aming voice recording sa video. And kung itatanong nyo, fam, kung saan namin to binili, sa Amazon namin siya na-order itong DJI mic, mini mic, and the Olanzi one.